Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify store on Facebook Shop. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. To do that, you can head over to your online store section and from there to preferences. And you can see we have different type of preferences in here, like for example we have Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, but we cannot see Facebook Shop in here. So for that, what are we going to do is simply head over to our search bar on top and search in here for Facebook and shop. So search in here for Facebook Shop and I just put a space in between. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Now we will be on to our these integrations. So now you can use any of these integration to bridge between Facebook Shop, and if you cannot do that still, what you can do is simply head over to Facebook Shop and list your store there as well using the API, or you can install the custom application as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.